Hey everyone! If you love Samsung's flip phones, you're going to be excited about this news. A new rumor about the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7 is making waves, and it's all about one of the most important features, battery life. If you're someone who travels a lot or just wants your phone to last longer, this could be a big deal for you. Samsung has been making small improvements to its Flip series every year, but this time we might see something unexpected, a second big battery upgrade in a row. According to a reliable source, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is expected to have a 4,300 mAh battery. That's a step up from the 4,000 mAh battery in the Z Flip 6, which was already an improvement over the 3,700 mAh battery in the Z Flip 5. If this is true, it shows that Samsung is serious about improving battery life in its flip phones. But what about the Fold series? Well, that's a different story. The last few Galaxy Z Fold models, Z Fold 6, Z Fold 5, Z Fold 4, and even Z Fold 3, all have the same 4,400 mAh battery with no major changes. In fact, the older Galaxy Z Fold 2 from 2020 had a slightly bigger 4,500 mAh battery. This makes it clear that Samsung is focusing more on battery improvements for the Flip series, while the Fold models remain the same in this area. Now let's take a closer look at how Samsung calculates battery capacity. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 actually has two smaller batteries inside with a combined rated capacity of just under 3,900 mAh, but Samsung advertises it as a 4,000 mAh battery. Using the same method, the Z Flip 7's two new batteries, one rated at 2,985 mAh and the other at 1,189 mAh, will likely be marketed as a 4,300 mAh battery. What does this mean for users? It means you can expect around 7 to 8% more battery life compared to the Z Flip 6. And it might even be better than that because the Z Flip 7 is also rumored to come with a new Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. This chip is expected to be more powerful and more energy efficient, which would help the battery last even longer. With a bigger battery, will the Z Flip 7 be larger in size? Surprisingly, no. According to leaked information, the Z Flip 7 will have a height of 166.6 millimeters and a width of 75.2 millimeters. That's only a little bit bigger than the Z Flip 6. The increase in size is likely because the screens are getting slightly bigger. The main display is said to grow from 6.7 inches to 6.8 inches, and the cover screen from 3.4 inches to 3.6 inches. Even with these small size changes, the phone is expected to remain very thin, just 6.9 millimeters thick, the same as its predecessor. The only thing that's still unknown is the weight, since it has a larger battery. It might be slightly heavier than the Z Flip 6, but probably not by much. For people who love compact phones, this is great news. You'll get more battery life without losing the convenience of a small and foldable device. Our review of the Galaxy Z Flip 6 showed that while its battery life was good, there was still room for improvement. Now it looks like Samsung is listening to feedback and making things even better with the Z Flip 7. When the Z Flip 6 was compared to other flip phones, it did well, but still fell a little short against the Motorola Razr Plus 2024. With this upgrade, it will be interesting to see if the Z Flip 7 can finally beat the Motorola Razr Plus 2025 when it comes out. Samsung seems to be making its flip phones more appealing with each new version. A bigger battery, a more efficient processor, and slightly larger screens, all without sacrificing portability, make the Galaxy Z Flip 7 an exciting device to look forward to. Of course, these are just leaks and rumors for now, so we'll have to wait for Samsung to officially confirm these details. But if everything turns out to be true, the Z Flip 7 could be a game changer for foldable phone lovers. Stay tuned for more updates.